Next, commercial bills. So commercial bills are issued by the companies like a bill of exchange. So many things we are learned from the bill of exchange. So same like that commercial bill is there. Okay. So commercial, when the companies need so much of money for investing in raw materials for something, they need a money. On that time they have to be issued the commercial bills. Okay, that commercial bills issued for the 3 types of days: 30 days commercial bills, 60 days commercial bills, and 9 days commercial bills are they are issued. Okay, features of the commercial bills are drawer, acceptor, payee, maturity. What's the drawer? Who makes the bill, he is said to be a drawer. Acceptor means who receives the bill, he is said to be a acceptor. Then payee means who gives money, that means bank only gives money. So all the bill of exchange are happen through the bank only, so that payee is a bank. So maturity means on that time limit, 30 days or 60 days, 90 days. Okay, these are all the commercial bills. Okay, these types of commercial bills is demand and issuance bills. What is the demand and issuance bills? So when there is a demand, on that time only we have to pay the amount immediately. Okay, so that is said to be a demand and issuance bills. Whenever there is a demand, on that time we have to pay. Okay, next, clean bills and documentary bills. So while writing the bill with any document, that is said to be a documentary bill. So without any document, some bills are there, so that bills are said to be a clean bills. Okay, then inland and foreign bills. What is the inland and foreign bills? So bills are written inside the India, it is said to be a inland bill. Outside the India, that is said to be a foreign bill. Okay, so written and written and payment within India is said to be a inland. Written or payment in outside the India, it is said to be a foreign bill. Then endogenous bills. So endogenous bills means based on the nativity. So based on the nativity, they have to be followed that bills of exchange rules. So that is said to be a endogenous bills. So these are all the commercial bills types. Okay. Next, government or gilt-edged securities market. So a market of government bonds and securities can be bought and sold is called a government securities market. So deals with the government bonds and government securities. That place is said to be a government or gilt-edged securities market. Okay, characteristics of that market is said to be, first one, agencies. So it is issued by the local government and central government. So government gilt-edged security markets agencies are local government and central government. Okay, then RBI special role. So RBI is given full role for them for full purchase and sale of securities under the control of RBI. Then third one, nature of securities. So this type of securities are issued the payment guarantee. Okay, there is no any cheating, guaranteed payment are there. Next, tax rebate. Tax rebate means we are paying some tax, means on that tax they have to given some incentives. Okay, like export oriented tax. So these type of tax incentives are given by them. Next, market. So primary and secondary market, both of the market are involved. Participants, same, central government and state government both are participated. Then grooming gradual. Grooming gradual means redemption in securities. What is that redemption in securities? Under the securities, any type of redemption, that means any reduce. So securities will be reduced in some cases, that is said to be grooming gradual. Then last one, switching. Switching means purchase one thing against sale of another thing. So if you can purchase one securities against the sale of another securities. So purchase one thing for against the another sale of against securities. So that is said to be a switching. So these are all the characteristics of government gilt-edged market. These are all the types of treasury bills. Okay. Next, do you know session? London money market is the oldest, most developed and leading money market in the world. Okay, note down, London money market is the oldest and most developed money market in the world. Okay, now extra information about money market. Okay, So in this lesson we know about what is the money market and what are the characters, then what are the types, then difference between money market and capital market. But this is a new information, money market account. Okay, what is that money market account? It is a specific type of savings account offered by banks and other financial institutions. So like our normal savings account, recurring account, fixed deposit account, same like that, money market gives one account that is said to be a money market savings account that is offered by the banks and other financial institutions. Okay, that features is high rate interest than savings account. So normally we are open any savings accounts now, that type of interest is more than the money market account. Okay, then but some instructions of withdraw your money. So in your money market savings account, you have some restrictions to withdraw your money. That means per month you just withdraw 3 to 6 withdrawals. Okay, so normal savings account now we can withdraw any time at any number of the withdrawals, but in the money market account we just withdraw 3 to 6 times per month. Okay, so example of money market accounts provides a Bank of America. Note down, these are all the general informations. Next, you have an assignment, find out the answers. You just listen carefully. If you are listen when I'm taking a class, on the time you are listening very good, means you are easy to give answer for these questions. First one, risk in money market is dash, high or medium or low. Then money market provides short term funds or long term funds. Then which banks are not eligible to issue a certificate of deposits? RBI, RRB and commercial banks. Then bills are issued and payable in India as a inland bills, foreign bills or both. Then final, treasury bills are issued based on the discounting based, non-discounting based or zero coupon based. Okay, find the answers. Then write the answers of these questions 2 times in your note. First one, define the term money market. Next, what do you mean by the treasury bills? Then write any 6 differences about money market and capital market. Then write the types of commercial bills. Then what are the characters of money market? So you just find the answers and write down, keep it on your mind. Next, write the keywords. For example, in this lesson some important words are there, you just find out and write down. For example, commercial bills, treasury bills. So what are the important words you are like to, you should write in your note. Okay, next video we are going to see about one interesting lesson about stock exchange. Okay, thank you.